Hi everyone, Edward here at Windows Report, and in this video I will show you how to fix the error 0x80070643 in Windows 11. So the first solution that you should always take in consideration is to run the Windows Update troubleshooter. To do this, press the Windows button, then select the settings icon, and then on the left pane make sure to click on System, and afterwards on the right side scroll down until you find the Troubleshoot section and select it. Now click on Other Troubleshooters, and afterwards in here just press the Run button next to Windows Update. Now Windows will try to find any issues and fix them if possible. Afterwards you can just check if the problem still persists. Another useful solution is to run a system file checker scan. To do this, press the Windows button, then simply type cmd and then run command prompt as an administrator. Now in the command prompt window just type the following command and press enter afterwards. Note that this scan can take a bit of time, so don't lose patience. Afterwards just restart your PC and then you can again check if the problem still persists. You can also install the latest Net Framework 4.8. To do this, you just need to access your browser, and I will also have some links in the description below that you have to open. So now that you're in your browser, you have to download the Net Framework 4.8 runtime, so click on the button next to runtime. Now just save this software on your PC, and afterwards minimize the browser and double-click the installer file. In my case, as you can see, the Net Framework 4.8 or a later update is already installed on this computer. But usually you just have to continue with the on-screen instructions and then you have installed the Net Framework. Another useful solution is to repair the .NET Framework. To do this, again you need a browser, so you can access the other link that I posted in the description below. Now that you're here on this website, just click on the orange download button and wait until the download is completed. Choose a location for where the tool to be saved, and afterwards just minimize the browser and go to that specific location. Double-click the repair tool, then proceed with accepting the license terms and press on Next, and then just proceed with the on-screen instructions to repair the Net Framework. And lastly, another useful solution is to change the software distribution subfolder name. Firstly, you have to open command prompt. To do this, so press the Windows button, type in cmd and then run command prompt as an administrator. In here, type the following commands and press enter after each command. Now just type in this command in the command prompt to rename the software distribution folder. Note that you can also find this command in the description below, so you can also copy-paste it. So afterwards, after the software distribution folder has been restarted, you have to input these following commands to restart the disabled services. And that's it. Plenty of solutions to consider in the long run.
As usual, for more information and details, you can check the article in the description below. And if you enjoyed this video, just make sure to like and subscribe to our channel. Thank you.